Question 23b, Part 1. Catherine invests $50,000 with Standard Credit Union for a term of 5 years. Her investment earns interest at 3.1% per annum compounded annually. How much will Catherine's investment be worth at the end of 5 years? Give your answer to the nearest dollar. Catherine invests a lump sum of $50,000 for a period of 5 years, earning interest at a rate of 3.1% per annum compounded annually. So apply the compound interest formula. Future value is equal to present value times 1 plus r in brackets to the power of n, where r is the interest rate per annum and n is the number of years that the investment runs for. So in this case, the present value is $50,000, r is 3.1% per annum, and n is equal to 5 years. So substituting these values into the compound interest formula, we get the future value is equal to 50,000 times 1 plus 3.1% in brackets to the power of 5, and that equals 58,245.62781 and so on. Therefore, Catherine's investment will be worth $58,246, correct to the nearest dollar. Part 2. Catherine's sister Liz also has $50,000 to invest for a term of 5 years. She invests with General Bank. Her investment earns interest at 3% per annum compounded monthly. Which sister makes the better investment? Justify your answer with appropriate calculations. Similar to Part 1, Liz invests a lump sum of $50,000 over a period of 5 years. But rather than the compounding being done annually, it's done monthly. So we'll need the monthly interest rate and the total number of months that the investment will run for. So again, using the future value formula, future value is equal to present value times 1 plus r in brackets to the power of n, where present value is equal to 50,000, the interest rate r is 3% divided by 12 because there are 12 compounding periods in 1 year and it's 3% per annum, and that gives us 0.25% per month. Now the number of compounding periods though is given by 5 years times 12 compounding periods per year, and that equals 60 months. So substituting these values into the compound interest formula, we get future value is equal to 50,000 times 1 plus 0.25% in brackets to the power of 60. And that equals 58,080.83908 and so on. So rounding this value to the nearest dollar, Liz's investment will be worth $58,081. So if we take Catherine's investment, which is greater, and subtract from that Liz's investment, we get $165. Therefore, Catherine's investment is marginally better by $165.